With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, so here the question is discuss the band theory of solids to account their conductivity properties. Okay, so solids have two bands. Okay, so these are first low energy valence bands. So low energy valence bands means it contains the valence electrons, okay, or the free electrons, and second is higher energy conduction band. So higher energy conduction bands means this when it is higher in energy and there the electrons are present, those are responsible for the conductive properties of the solid. Okay. So for the conductivity of solids, there should be a jump from valence band to conduction band. Okay. Now based on the distance between, okay, so first of all let's show it diagrammatically. So say the red colored is the valence band. Okay, so it contains the free electrons or the valence electrons. So this is the valence band, and with blue color we are showing the conduction band. Okay, so this is the conduction band. So in between the valence band and conduction band there is certain amount of energy gap. Okay, and this is called forbidden region or forbidden gap. So what happens here, in case where the valence band and the conduction band, they just superimposes to each other, that means these two overlaps. Okay, so that means easily electrons can jump from the valence band to conduction band, and that's why they are normally having high conductivity properties, and these are called conductors. Okay, so this is valence band and this is conduction band. Okay, now where these two levels are apart with high amount of energy gap, the conduction band and this is valence band. Okay, so energy gap is maximum in this case. Okay, and this energy gap is known as forbidden gap. So electrons normally can't move from valence band to conduction band, so it cannot conduct electricity, and this is known as insulator. Now there is a class of solids in which the valence band and conduction band, the gap is there, no overlapping, but the gap is very less. Okay, so we can write like this is valence band and say this is conduction band. Okay, so energy gap is very less, and that means at elevated temperature in particular cases electrons can jump from valence band to conduction band. Okay, so very low energy gap, that means the conductivity is between conductors and insulators, and these are termed as semiconductors. So hope this answered the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.